What's up, bullish friends? Hope you guys are doing great out there today. And today I just want to get into the topic of the animal farm launch. It's been officially announced now, and I waited to make a video on this until this was official. Well, as of looks like last night, they added the launch countdown timer back. And so it's officially launching on November 1st now. And as a drip guy, I obviously care about the price of drip, and I think any bullish news for drip or from Animal Farm, from the entire ecosystem, will be bullish for this price of drip right now. And the price of drip over here is at right now at 497 USDT. So I obviously want that to go up as high as possible, and I'm sure everyone in the drip ecosystem wants that to happen as well. So let's talk about the update. I'm not going to rehash all the stuff from why the last time they paused the launch and pushed it back, but there was an issue with the hosting with the drip liberation contract. I will link to this article in case you want to read that, but it's been pretty hashed out now, and ultimately they're getting things figured out here. So again, I'll link to this, but let's talk about these bullish tokenomics that they talk about here. Originally pigs, now AFP, could be earned by staking drip BUSD liquidity tokens. This is not ideal as it allows users to earn governance tokens without going through the vested model of utilizing the other Animal Farm native tokens. Now, dogs, now AFD. Moving drip BUSD from the pig's master chef contract to the dog's master chef contract adds significant value to AFP and AFD tokens, as well as to the Animal Farm platform as a whole. Now, the only way to earn AFP is by buying them off the market or farming them with the AFD LP tokens, which puts users into our innovative variable tax model that vests them in the project while generating BNB and BUSD dividends that reward AFD and AFP stakers. This makes AFP harder to earn, increasing the demand for the token and the BUSD dividend, which is earned by staking AFP in the pig pen. It also greatly increases the value of AFD, as it is the only asset that can be used to the farm for AFP, which also means more BNB will be generated from AFD transactions and paid out to the dog pound. Okay, so he further goes on to talk about the value here. So let's go. So I just want to explain what he's saying here with this last point in this paragraph. This contract takes the tax fees generated by deposits, withdrawals, or token swaps and sends them to specific places in the ecosystem. So let's take a look. Okay, right here. I want to show you guys this paragraph. Basically really covers it all, like what this is going to do. And ultimately what this is saying, before I read this, it's going to put more buying pressure on drip, which is going to help force the price up. So check this out. Listen to this. Several inspired changes were made to the platform. First, the multiplier for the drip farm was modified to be the highest of any non-native farm on the dog's master chef contract. I keep wanting to say master chief. Does anyone else do that when you read through these? But the master chef contract. Secondly, the fees associated with the drip BUSD LP token will be used to buy back drip. The drip portion of the LP will be sent to the tax vault. The BUSD portion of the LP will be used to buy drip directly and send it to the tax vault. This removes drip from the sell side of the order book while adding BUSD to the buy side, having a compounded positive impact on drip price while sending up to 3x more drip to the tax vault than the initial concept. So that is absolutely huge. And this is why I'm super bullish on the Animal Farm launch. Because this ultimately should greatly impact the price of drip over the long haul. Now, I'm not going to read through all the dog's LP upgrades. You can come read through all that yourself. I just wanted to basically point out what I'm super bullish on. Now, this is all bullish too, but I don't want to read too much to you guys here. I'm going to let you guys come read this. They also talk here about audits and testing, and they passed all the audits and testing. So just to give you guys the last little paragraph here. So all upgrades and modifications to the animal farm have been completed, and all the audits passed with flying colors. Every piece of the project has been polished and prepared for launch on November 1st with confidence. So that to me is a good bullish sign. I ultimately do think that they launch on time this time. I'd be really shocked if they don't get this launch on time, because I think it would lose a lot of investor confidence. So sounds like it's going to happen. Now, two things before I get to the end of this video. Make sure I'm going to put the link to this in the video below. It's just at the animalfarm.app. But it looks like they have a new 4-day contest. I don't know if it's a continuation in the old one, but it looks like it's brand new. So make sure you come get into this, because they are giving away $5,000. So why not take a chance to get that? You may as well sign up for this, and the entries are really low right now. So do go in to do that if you're interested in making some extra cash. Hopefully someone wins. Sounds like they're giving it to one winner, I guess. But yeah, so get signed up for that. And then the other thing here, I need to pay out my team this week. I need to do a little bit of a push out to you guys. So whoops, I went to the wrong. Let's go to the faucet here, and I've got some drip I'm gonna pay out. I'm gonna do an airdrop to the team. We'll do that, and then we will do 5 players. We'll do 5 drip. All right, let's do this. And we will send this out to my team. You guys are awesome. Now, if you want to join my team, there's a link in the description to do that. But I do ask that you guys, if you're going to jump in the drip, put in something meaningful. If you're only putting in 1 drip token, it's going to take you a long time to build up your wallet. Put in at least 10 drip, 20 drip, 30 drip, whatever you can afford to do. But the lower amounts are going to take you a lot longer to build up your wallet to where you have a meaningful daily income coming in from drip. So make sure that you do something meaningful here. I know some of you guys jumped onto my wallet with very low wallet amounts, and that's okay. You can do that, but it's going to take you a while, even with me doing weekly and monthly, airdrops to my team. So, but I do appreciate that. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me below. Now, before we close out here, and I'm up over the 700 mark on my drip deposit balance now. So looking forward to pumping that up to over 1,000 and rebalancing my wallet here. I need to get this up, the deposits up quite a bit higher over my claims here. So I'm working on rebalancing that. But the question for you guys, what are your thoughts on Animal Farm? Do you think they launch on time now? Do you think that November 1st is the date and it's set in stone and it's definitely happening? Or do you think they're going to miss the launch time again? Let me know what you guys think. And as always, you guys have a fantastic day. Give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content, and I will see you guys in the next video.